In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to scan a business card into HubSpot on your mobile device. To get started, open Chrome on your phone, or if you already have it installed, open the HubSpot mobile app directly. The goal here is to quickly turn a physical business card into a saved contact without having to type everything in by hand. This can save time, reduce manual entry mistakes, and make it much easier to keep your contacts organized while you're on the go. Once you're inside the app, look toward the bottom center of the screen and tap the plus icon. This is the shortcut for creating something new. When the menu appears, choose Contact. That tells HubSpot that you want to create a new contact record, and from there you'll be given a few ways to add the information. In the pop-up menu, select the option that says Scan a Business Card. This feature uses your phone's camera to capture the card and automatically pull details like the person's name, company, phone number, and email address into contact fields. It's a simple tool, but it's especially useful after meetings, events, or conferences when you may have collected several cards and want to process them efficiently. If this is your first time using the feature, the app may ask for permission to access your camera. Go ahead and allow camera access so the scanning tool can work properly. Then position the business card in a well-lit area and take a clear photo. Try to hold your phone steady and make sure all the text on the card is visible and in focus. A sharp, readable image helps the app recognize the information more accurately and reduces the amount of cleanup you'll need to do afterward. After the scan is complete, HubSpot will automatically fill in the contact fields based on the text it detected from the card. Take a moment to review everything carefully. Check for spelling errors, missing characters, or formatting issues, since scanned text can occasionally misread small print or stylized fonts. If anything looks off, just tap into the field and correct it manually. When everything looks accurate, tap Save. That will create the contact in HubSpot and store the information for future follow-up. And that's it. You've successfully scanned a business